Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Chong. Today I'm going to share with you what you should do if you realize your Google Chrome is slowing down your laptop, your PC. Yeah, how to figure it out? Of course, the most easiest way is for Windows user, look for the task manager, sort by the memory or CPU, then you will realize your Google Chrome is the highest consumption among all, perhaps, like consuming about half. If that's the case, then today I'm going to share with you how to actually save yourself from to optimize your Google Chrome so that it's actually not the troublemaker, but a lifesaver for you. Because yeah, most of the time now you're actually browsing through Google Chrome and you need that, right? Yeah, you need it to be the best performance. So let's do this. That's right. How are we going to fix the slow Chrome? Okay, if you realize when you open your task manager and your Google Chrome have such a huge impact to your CPU, and talking about 96% of CPU, come on, this is too much. Okay, or perhaps sometimes your Google Chrome have 4,000 of your megabytes, which is like a loss from your memory. That's the trouble, right? Okay, so let's get this down. So first of all, okay, let's open up. Okay, let's look at Google Chrome help first. If you look for Help Center and then you try to look for speed up the Google Chrome, they have actually a few ideas for you. So let's take a look at the computer versions today. Okay, because I'm going to focus on computer versions there. Number one, make sure you update your Chrome to the latest versions. Okay, this can be done. I think quite simple here is look at your right hand side, the top. Okay, this guy here. Then you go again, click these three buttons, the three dots buttons to access to your Chrome menu. Then look for the help and look for about. Okay, do me one more time. Three dots, help, and about. Once you click it, you shall see this guy. Okay, this is a setting page for you, and if your Chrome is updated, then good job. Okay, if no, you can check for it and you can just wait for it, or perhaps it will stated that you need to restart your Chrome to update to the latest version. So that's number one. Number two, you need to close all unused tabs, or you need to stop or turn off the unwanted processes. Okay, these two steps might be technical. Okay, however, let me go through with you the step 2 first. Okay, some of you might be a heavy user in terms of you want to do research, you try to open up to 100 websites in 100 tabs. Yes, I hear you. Okay, so what you can do is, instead of opening so many websites on the background and give your computer so much heavy load, okay, because don't forget, the websites that open in the background is still loading by itself. So this is why the more tabs you open, actually the more heavier it is, your Chrome. So how you're going to deal with this idea is, I have a great idea thanks to the extension called OneTab. So instead of open up all your tabs like that, okay, comes to this guy, go to Chrome Web Store. Okay, I can show you from the beginning. By the way, let me explain why is this extension awesome. Okay, there must be a reason why this extension been used for 2 million plus user, and there have been 30,000 plus user rate this item and get 4.5 out of 5 ratings. This is super high. Okay, what does this do is it simply actually store all your tabs into a list whereby you can return to them later. So imagine you open up a few windows with multiple tabs, for example. Okay, so what you do is you actually store everything in a list. So instead of using, putting up the tabs live and keep loading at the background, these tabs is actually sleeping in the background. Okay, so how to do it? Okay, let me show you. First, you just type Google Chrome extensions. Okay, then for sure, okay, let me zoom in so you can see. Okay, search Google Chrome extension, go to the Chrome Web Store. Okay, once you reach this guy, there's a test search the store field here. Just search for OneTab, and the first guy that you see shall be the guy. Yes, this blue color with some, like funnel. Okay, click on it, add to Chrome. Okay, now I'm going to add to you. Okay, it will actually prompt you. It's saying that, okay, read your browsing history. Yes, please, I need you. So add the extension, give it a while while installing, and it's done. It's here. Okay, if you turn it off, you might see like, wait, how come the icon is missing? It's actually, you need to access by click this puzzle. Okay, click this guy to access it. Click this guy, and then you shall see this guy. These are the extensions that you install so far, and you need to pin this out. Okay, because for me this is lifesaver. I'm going to pin this guy. Then the other two, I'm going to hide it. Okay, when you unpin like this without the color, means gray color, means you hide it. It doesn't mean inactivate, huh? Okay, you just simply hide it, and you just activate this guy called OneTab. Okay, so once you get this, what does this do? Okay, let me give you some idea. Let me visit a few websites and make it as heavy as possible. Okay, this is just for example. Okay, I've tried to open a few websites here, Jagole. Okay, this is myself, Chong. Okay, that's a website. Okay, yeah, there are a few websites here already, right? Okay, so there are 6 tabs on my Chrome here. So what I do is, let's say my current usage is very high, so I just click this button, this diamond shape, not diamond, it's a funnel. Okay, click this funnel to hide all your tabs, just like that. One tab, that's it. So the next thing is, okay, let's say you're going to go to google.com and you try to search something, you want to do other stuff, and then suddenly now, okay, I want to continue my research, and I want to continue all the websites that I visited just now. Go back to OneTab here. You shall see this button. It's called Restore All. Okay, so what I do is I just click it, restore, and everything is back. Voila, so simple. I think this is super lifesaver for most of us, because I hear you. I myself also spend a lot of time opening a lot of tabs because of my research and halfway reading and so on. And by the way, we also have multitask behavior, that sometimes you want to leave certain tabs behind first. You're not trying to abandon them, you're just trying to focus on other stuff whereby you want to switch. So this is one of the great ways. So that's it. So you found a simple solutions. I do actually speed up your Chrome by fixing the laggy or slow Chrome. Okay, the first thing is update your Google Chrome to the latest version, that's for sure. Then number 2, I think this is the most important part, is try to reduce unused tabs that are running in the background. So one of the best way I showed just now, which I've been using for many years, okay, is called OneTab, whereby you actually store all your visiting tabs into a list. The list won't consume you a high memory, but a very, very tiny memory there only. Okay, comparing to your existing tabs that are opening there, so it will save a lot of memory, a lot of computing power for yourself. Also, if you're actually running in a battery in your laptop, this will be saving your battery as well. So if you found this useful, please do me one favor. Okay, try yourself and let me know whether it works or not. If yes, please do me one big favor first. Like my video here. Okay, subscribe to my channel and put a ring so that you get notified next time I upload such tutorial video for you, as well as go digital to discuss the latest IT trends every Wednesday 8:15 p.m. My name is Chong. Thank you for watching Technology CBT YouTube channel. And once again, hope to see you again and stay home, stay safe everyone. Thank you and bye bye.